Morning, everyone. Just a quick little update on something I've been working on. A friend of mine, Steve from Philly, who I camp with a lot, he turned me on to this. This company, AO Lithium. They make a battery. This is a 100 amp hour battery that fits into the stock Vanagon space underneath the seat. They had them on sale for $149, so I jumped at that. I don't know too much about lithium, so I'm kind of working out the bugs and learning about it. But right now I've got two 70 amp hour gel batteries in the stock spot and then in the rear facing jump seat. So I was told that those really are only half, so that's like 70 amp hours or something. And I've never had a problem running my fridge and my lights and stuff, but I figured at this cheaper price I might as well take the leap and do it. What I did, this is a 100 amp hour too, which should last quite a while. I was tempted to get two of them, but I'm just gonna ease into it gently. So I hemmed and hawed about the right way to charge it, and I just found this QKR. It's a Chinese, I guess, charger for lithium batteries on Amazon. I'll put a link in the comments or description or something about that. And it's been doing pretty good. It came charged to 30%, and now it's up to 88%. So I'm going to charge it to 100 and then just store it away. And my plan is to just have this 110 charger for a backup, or I can charge it if I'm at home. And I will, of course, swap out the gel batteries for this one. And then, so this one will be connected to my solar system. I've got a 100 watt Rhenology panel up here, and I've got a quote 100 watt foldable one that I usually put on my windshield. Yeah, it was just an Amazon special. And then I think I will get a DC to DC converter so I could charge this bad boy when I'm driving. I think that's probably the easiest way to do things. But maybe I'll just go with the solar now and see what happens. I think I should be fine for the camping that I do. But anyway, that's a quick update of what I've been up to in regards to batteries. I didn't anticipate going this route, but the sale just kind of dropped in my lap. So I'll put a link to the battery in the description as well. Cheers, everyone. I hope you're still doing van projects because it's not quite winter yet. As you can see in Buffalo, it's kind of a dreary day, but it's not that cold, so that's good. Anyway, cheers.